On the 10th number, we have Prathamesh Molinkar. So now Prathamesh Molinkar is an Indian footballer and a beauty pageant holder who won the title of Mr. Supranational 2018. Molinkar is the only footballer in Asia to be featured on the cover of Men's Health magazine. He also works as a fitness trainer and owns a gym in the state of Goa. On the 9th number, we have Rohit Khandelwal, who is the topmost Indian male model with almost 1 million Instagram followers. In 2015, he won the award of Mr. India, which then took him to the next level of success when he was crowned as a first Asian to achieve the award for Mr. World in 2016. Rohit was honored to walk the ramp as a showstopper at LFW, which was his dream that came true. With his modeling skills, he was then offered a television show that was another step to his success. Rohit Khandelwal personality, dashing looks and sex appeal made him the India's top model of 2019. His next agenda is to venture into films as an actor, director and producer. On the 8th number, we have Manu Bora. Intelligence and good looks come in a rare package, but Manu Bora is blessed with the both. He is not only a doctor but also a freaking hot model. In a magazine interview, he said, "Being humble and affectionate in my style, but when it comes to fashion, it's classic." Manu Bora has been a part of many modeling campaigns like Bowerwood, Ayurveda and Sabyasachi. He got an Excellence Award in Fashion Modeling. With his dapper looks, the multi-talented Manu Bora has reached 1.5 lakh followers on Instagram. On the 7th number, we have Prateek Jain. Prateek Jain is a model to watch out for. Prateek has been slaying by his smoldering looks, six-pack abs and long dashing beard. He has achieved a high level of popularity by winning Mr. World India in 2014. He was one of the best in the pageant that was held in China. He was the first Indian male who gained stardom by winning Asian Supermodel title in 2015. He has been modeling with some of the well-known and worthy fashion campaigns. His athletic body looks have made many girls swan over him. He was also awarded the title of Men's XP Mr. Ironman. On the 6th number, we have Nitin Chauhan. Nitin is the freelancer Indian model who has stolen many hearts by his good looks. The long beard is the mark of manhood, and one of the most appealing things about Nitin is his beard. He has been modeling for the most renowned brands like Raymond, Titan. The hair bun gives him a macho look. He has also done the modeling for Lakme Fashion Week. Hence, the killer looks of Nitin are also a reason for his 40,000 followers on Instagram. On the 5th number, we have Ruhollah Ghazi. Ghazi is a dashing Indian male model from Kashmir who is the face in demand for the most luxurious Indian brands. His signature beard, lean and muscular physique always set the ramp on fire. He has been a showstopper for almost all the top fashion designers. He grabbed the popularity in a very short span and became a spotlight after Raymond's ad. He is one of the hottest Indian model with 30,000 followers on Instagram. On the 4th number, we have Prabh Uppal. Prabh Uppal was one of the struggling Indian models who was a young, glamorous truck lad from Ludhiana. First few years were quite tough for him to be known as a top Indian model, but with his dapper look, chiseled features and superb body, gave him an edge over the competition and taking him all the way to fame. Prabh Uppal has done modeling for Tarun Tahliani, Anita Dongre, Sabyasachi and Manyavar, who are the well-known Indian fashion designers. He strives to work hard with motivation, passion and dedication. His Instagram followers reach up to 21,000. On the 3rd number, we have Himanshu Bhati. Himanshu Bhati is one of the most talented and hot-looking Indian male model. who has made his place in the modeling industry in a very short span. He also worked with a range of high-end fashion labels. The very famous Vogue magazine did a shoot for its cover with him. He is in high demand amongst all the young male models because of his charming personality. On the second number, we have Gaurav Arora. Being an international supermodel and actor in the Glad Rags Manhunt and Mega Model contest in 2006, Gaurav Arora was the second runner-up. He has been seen in many television commercials of reputed brands and print shoots. He has also been a part of significant fashion shows and walked the ramp for some of the India's top-notch designers. With Vishesh Films and Vikram Bhatt's Hindi film Love Games in 2016 alongside Tara Alisha Berry and Patra Lekha, Arora had his film debut then. By naming Sameer Saxena, he has also played the male lead. This had been followed by another role of Rihan Khanna in Vishesh film Raz Robot in 2016, also by the direction of Vikram Bhatt. Angad Singh Bedi is the one who topped the list. He is born in February 6, 1983. Angad Singh Bedi is an Indian model and a film actor known for his involvement in the television and Bollywood. In 2011, with the film Faltu, he had his film debut, and with Kaya Taran, he had his television debut. Angad has been featured in cooking show naming Cook Na Kaho on the Star One. He has also hosted for a very first season of the reality television show Emotional Atyachar on UTV Bindas. Being known for his work, later on he was a contestant in season 3 of Colors show Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi. He is also the part of movie called Surma. Angad will always be known best for his sunshining performances in films such as Ungli and Pink.